Namaste, my name is Om Bandal and I am a first year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. So today we will be preparing a sweet dish called Gud Pare. Key things behind making this video is that first, it's a Diwali festival. Second, it has health benefits, so many of people prefer it by making it in the winter season. And third, it has an importance in Ayurveda. So let's see what ingredients we are needing for preparing Gud Pare. So I have taken 250 grams maida, then I have taken 2 tablespoon ghee, then I have baking soda which is half tablespoon, then baking powder which is half tablespoon, then I have crushed gur 1 bowl, and also have funnel seeds, or we can say soft, which is 1 tablespoon. So also I have taken the refined oil half a liter, which we will need for frying paris. So now we will take 250 grams maida, then we will add ghee to it, we will mix it well. Then we will add baking soda to it. We will add baking powder. So as you can see, our dough is ready for making paris. So with the help of rolling pin, we are going to spread out this dough. Always remember that the dough must remain thick while scrolling it. Now you can see that the dough has been evenly spread out. So now we will start making its strips. Going to slice it out in a square shape. So now I have separated these paris, and also the oil has been got hot. So now we will add this paris into the oil. We will add this one by one into the oil. Now I have fried these paris into the medium flame. So we have taken one more kadai in which we are going to melt our gur. So now we are going to add gur to this kadai. So as you can see, it's melting. So now we will add little pinch of water in it. Now we are going to remove these paris. As you can see, it's brown in color. Now as you can see, our gur has got a nice caramel color. So now we are going to test whether the gur has been melted or not. So what we have to do is that take a little gur, drop it into the water bowl. So now what we have to do is take this gur, press it evenly on your fingers. So now you can see that it's not spreading. That means your gur has been prepared. So you can see that as when we drop it, it's making noise. See, as you can see in this, the layers have been generated in the sidewise manner. So now we are going to off the gas. Add some fennel seeds to it. Now we will add this paris into it. As you can see, the good pare is ready. Now we will plate it. Wish you a happy Diwali and safe Diwali.